In this guide, I'll show you how to fix YouTube lagging and stuttering in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. So, here we are on YouTube, and if your videos are constantly lagging or stuttering, I'll show you a simple fix you can try. This can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to watch a video without interruptions. To get started, go to the top right corner of Google Chrome and click the three dots. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand side and scroll down until you find System. Click on it, and then look for the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Try turning this option off by clicking the switch next to it. After that, click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the changes. Chrome will reopen automatically and take you back to YouTube. Now, try playing a video again and hopefully the lagging and stuttering should be resolved. If this guide helped you out, be sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next how-to video.